Apply oil on back to your waist and push down on 风池 GB20 and 风府 DU16 acupoint. Operate for 3 times. Push do my with both hands to the burial area. Operate for 3 times. Push blender channel with both hands, left first, then right, to the burial area. Operate for 3 times. Push alternately do my to the burial area with both hands for 3 times. Push alternately blend the channel with both hands, left first, then right, to the burial area. Operate for 3 times. The roots of both palms start from 大椎 DU14 acupoint and alternate in pushing do my to the burial area. Lift from the lumbar side to the armpit. Operate for 3 times. The roots of both palms start from 大椎 DU14 acupoint and alternate in pushing blender channel to the burial area. Lift from the lumbar side to the armpit. Operate for 3 times. Push your thumbs between shoulder blades to the armpits for 3 times. Then pass through armpits to fingers. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to the other side of the shoulder blade. Use hook or points of hands, starting from hairline to dabanjin for 3 times. Then start from dabanjin along the arm and slide to the fingers. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to the dabanjin of the other side. Slide to the fingers. Operate the grease cup to detox. The big size is advised. Adjust to the constant section mode. Move slowly from the dazui DU14 acupoint to the caudal vertebra. Operate for 3 times. Push bladder channel to the bladder area for 3 times. Coupled with another hand, push the shoulder blade from Jianjin GB21 acupoint to the armpit for 3 times. Do the same to the shoulder blade of the other side. Slide at dabanjin back and forth from the side of the neck. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Adjust to section and release mode. Increase the section a little bit. Put the probe at the Tianzhong SI11 acupoint for 3 seconds and take it up. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Put the probe at the Jianjin GB21 acupoint for 3 seconds and take it up. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Operate the glass tube on body. Adjust to the constant section mode. Start from 大椎 DU14 acupoint to the 八髎 area. Operate back and forth for 2 times. Slide from bladder channel to the 八髎 area, back and forth for 2 times. Adjust the section according to the customer's feeling. Operate at the shoulder blade, back and forth for 3 times. Slide from the dumai to the side of back. Operate at the whole back for 2 times. Select the body cups for cupping. Adjust to the constant section mode. 10 minutes for each area. Fixate the cups on 大椎 DU14 and the 八髎 area. Genjin GB21. Tianzhong SI11. Take off the cups. Clean the bag with a dry towel.